I've been a plumber for over 30 years. I can't do that job anymore. I was working for a plumbing company here in town. Was bringing some tools down some stairs, fell down those stairs, and ended up within about 10 minutes knew that I needed some medical help. When I slipped on the stairs, I hit my back and the back of my head. And you know, at first I thought, you know, that's really gonna hurt in the morning. And like I said, within about 10-15 minutes, I knew that I was in trouble. My back was hurting, back of my head was hurting, had blurry vision in one eye, and consequently I ended up losing the sight in this eye. Used to be able to, lift hot water heaters, 200 plus pounds. My maximum lifting now is 20 pounds. I can't walk for more than a few minutes without pain. I have migraine headaches now that 1 to 2 a week that last anywhere from 8 to 18 hours. I called into the office and told them I had fell and needed some medical attention, and they told me to go to their provider. Once I went to that provider, had told them that I had some blurry vision and this, that, and the other, and the doctor actually looked at me and said, well, maybe you need glasses. I had explained to her that I've been to an optometrist, my optometrist, for the last 5 years, and I have 20/20. And she said, well, things change real quick. I said, so I had perfect vision before I fell, and afterwards I need glasses. And she literally looked me in the eye and said, yes. I just felt like I was being railroaded by the work comp system. Their doctors are definitely geared up to help them, not you. And so that's when I knew that I needed some representation to help me out. I had seen the advertisements on TV, and McDivitt seemed to be the most professional advertisements that I'd seen. And so I gave them a call, and everything just went real smooth. They answered all my questions, and I got in with some doctors that they had changed doctors for me. The second set of doctors found some things that the first ones had not even noticed. The treatment was very good. The doctors took good care of me. I didn't even know that I was going to use an attorney this time, but once I felt that pressure from the doctors, my employer, workers' comp, I knew I needed somebody to be in my corner to fight for me, and they did a great job. I couldn't be happier with what they did. McDivitt was always professional, cared about me, cared about my family, always asking questions, trying to help in every way they could, and never once made me feel like I was just another number. I've improved about 60% of what I was. At one point I couldn't lift more than about 5 pounds, and I couldn't walk hardly at all. The doctors that they got me with have seriously improved my condition a lot. I would have to say that if you're looking for an attorney in the work comp field, that McDivitt was definitely the best choice I could have made from a professional standpoint, fighting for my rights, just overall caring people. They cared about me, they cared about my family, and whether or not I was ever going to be able to do my job again, and then made sure that I got compensated for not being able to do that. I'd like to thank everybody that was involved in my case, and would recommend them to anybody.